Morning, everyone. How are you all doing? Oh, there we go. Yeah, breakfast, coffee, view. Winning. I need to go shop and do some other bits today, but I'm finding it kind of hard to get motivated right now to move because this is my garden. And yeah. I'll be honest, I've not really filmed anything today. I spent about 4 hours making the video, had some dinner, and then here we are. Had a bit of a decompression day, I guess. It's been nice actually, just calm, chilling, you know, taking it all in kind of thing. But I'm working again tomorrow, might as well while I'm here, seeing as I'm passing through, because I think from here I'm going to drive straight to Italy in one go. So now I need to head down to Chamonix, because obviously that's where I'm working. I can't really cycle, so I'm going to pack the van away now, and then I'm going to drive down to the lakes, you know, where I stayed before. Oh, it's so nice. You can see my view. I wish I could just stay here, but I say I can't, so oh well. Right. Time to make a move. Knowing this area as well as me by the end of it. The amount of times we're driving up and down this valley. It's not that far. Like, it looks like I'm all over the place, which you can't have. But it's only like a 10-15 minute drive to get down, so it's not that bad. There we go, quick as that.
Take second exit.
So there's a space there. That would not be ideal. Oh, this don't look good. Bloody hell. I think there's one further down. Oh, I've got a spot, but I'm properly on the piss. Let's line the camera up. Just like that. Oh dear. Oh well. At least I got somewhere. That's the main thing. Good. Morning all. It's work day again. I barely slept last night because some dick banged on the van at about 2 o'clock or something, and it got me on edge. I couldn't sleep. Like someone banged on it, and then I looked out and I went, just good. 3 knots. Thought it was a bloody glacier. That's the first time that's happened. I'm sure it's going to happen many more times. So I better bloody well get used to it tonight. I mean, it's just a spot. See how it's looking this evening when I get back. Drink me coffee and then peace out. Don't half piss it down. Oh, you know what? I've just had a horrible thought. I think I left my skylight open a bit. Not the big one, the little one at the back. Might have a wet pillow when I get back to the van. Bugger. Oh, I can see the drips. Pissing out this. Even got a lift down to the van. Perfecto. That is not perfecto though. Oh, it's soaked. Bloody hell. What a tit. What a tit. Oh. Oh.
You monster! You're going to be so much trouble. You got can you believe he's like nearly 9 years old, this dog?
It's like a puppy.
You are so naughty.
You're touching the old wrist.
It's nice for her to be able to get home, and she's got a right to get home. I know he does it all the time.
Blaming himself.
Okay.
This is mine.
3. Well done. Oh no. That's
Right, everything is done video wise. It's time to go do some bloody shopping. Just can't really be asked to do, but it is baking outside. Yeah, kind of saps your energy a bit, so go do that for an hour. Probably come back to no spaces. Fantastic. Oh, it's warm. Flipping out. Right, let's do it. Just had to have an ice cold shower because I thought I was going to pass out at one point. Okay. So we go down the valley to the old Super U. It's cheap. can't get used to this heat. It don't matter. You just can't. Oh. Ooh. That's what I'm talking about. I wonder if there's anywhere local to here that it's different. I just found a spot near here somewhere. Either there or there, I don't know. I just want to go have a look and park somewhere for a little bit. Because I'm roasting. Might be there. It's not very far. Gone the wrong way, ain't I? Of course I have. Of course I have. Let's hope this road don't get any smaller. It's alright. We're all good. Wasn't too bad. I just want to stop somewhere different, have some lunch and figure out what I'm doing for the rest of the day. Well, bloody hell. 20 to 6? Where's the rest of the day gone? See, this is the road I probably should have been on. Nicer already. A little bit of shade, that's all we needed. Dying down there. Oh, this is actually pretty cool. There's no one else here. Of course there isn't, 'cause it's in the middle of bloody nowhere. This is actually pretty sick. Yes. Even got a little waterfall over there. Beach. Does that count as a beach? Look at that down there. That's cool. Probably not going to swim in here because, well, yeah, you can see the bottom. Look, it's right for lunch, ain't it? Oh, yes. Just bought all this nice food. I think my fridge has just crapped out. It's not. It's been on inverter on mains all day, and it's at 16 degrees. Or what? Let's have a beer and forget about it. Oh, this should be cool. This guy's just turned up with a horn over there. So random. Like middle of nowhere. What the? I'm just standing there in the wood, just jamming. Why not, eh? So what's happened here, peeps, is I stopped in this lake with the intention of just having some lunch and then going back up to Chamonix because I've got a few hours work again tomorrow. And basically I've just listened to music and chilled for the last like 4 hours, and now been on the old whiskey, so looks like I'm staying here tonight, doesn't it? But it's not all bad. In fact, it's very good. You can't see jack shit out there, but what I can see is nice. We've got stars, we've got trees, we've got waterfall sound, we've got music. We're all good. Today's video is crap, so I'm sorry about that, but you know, I haven't really done anything, so I'll probably combine 2 days again, and I'm going to sit here for a little while and then I'm going to go sleep because I'm dead. So I'll see you in the morning.